We all find it hard to keep a tab of all our appointments and tasks on a busy work schedule. It is time-consuming and even confusing to maintain several calendars and navigate multiple screens to add an appointment or task. In between working, taking notes, and making calls, it would be nice to have someone organize our day and remind us of our meetings just like a personal assistant would. Soffront Online CRM can be our virtual assistant to help us go through the day with ease. Having a dynamic to-do list would make a big difference, especially if the list could remind us and be associated with the information we need to complete the task. Software Calendar Tasks can help us out here. So let's take a look. Under Sales module, you will find Calendar Task. Click on Task. This page is our dynamic to-do list. Here you can see tasks which are overdue, today's task, and all upcoming tasks. You will notice that the tasks are designed in a way so that all the information you need to complete the task are in your fingertips. Each task displays the due date, the task name, company name, and the contact's email address. You can drill down to the related lead customer or project with just one click. Click on the company name. From the detail view page, you can take down notes, make a phone call, or even add a new task. The right-hand column displays all our pending tasks related to the company. Tasks marked in red are overdue, gray is for today's task, and blue is for upcoming tasks. Now let's see how to add a new task. Click on the plus sign here. Give your task a name. Select the due date. For a new task, select status as pending. Then you can set up email or pop-up reminder. By default, it will be 10 minutes, but you can change it according to your needs. Let's change the pop-up reminder to 5 minutes. Click on the Add a Reminder link to add up to 3 reminders. You will notice that the company and contact name is already added. That is because we are adding the task from the lead record. Then write a short description of your task. And then you have the option of repeat. You can use this option for repetitive tasks. For example, if you have a follow-up meeting every week on Monday for next 2 months, you just have to create the task once and set up your criteria. Click here. Your start date will be the due date you have already selected. Select the end date 2 months from now. Repeat type weekly. Repeat every 8 weeks. Each Monday. Then click on Save. Now you are all set up for the task. By default, the owner will be you. You can set the task for yourself or assign to somebody else. Once you are done, click on Save. Our new task will show up at the right-hand column as well as our pending task page. And if you miss a task or need to postpone it, you can simply change the date. And once you have completed a task, you can click on the check icon here. All your completed tasks will be archived under Completed Task page. We can also add an appointment to our lead without leaving the Detail View page. Click on the Appointments tab. Here you will find all your added appointments. To add a new appointment, click on the plus sign. This will open the calendar page. This page gives you an overview of how your week looks like. You can check your calendar according to day, week, month, and agenda. By default, week will be selected. You will notice that lighter blue indicates appointment which has already passed and darker blue indicates upcoming appointments. The appointment box displays the time, appointment name, and the company name. So let's select a time slot to add our appointment. Type in a subject. We have already selected start and end time. For new appointments, select status as scheduled. You can assign the appointment to yourself or to somebody else. Then set up reminders according to your needs. You will notice contact and company name is already selected as we are adding the appointment from the lead record. In the text field, you can add a few important points of your meeting. You can select repeat if you want to repeat the appointment. It is very similar to adding a repeat and task. You also have the option of syncing your appointment with Outlook and Google Calendar. Just select yes. Then click on Save. Here you can see our appointment has been added. Now it's easy to set up a meeting that all can attend. You can not only see your own calendar, but your colleague's shared calendar as well. Select the usernames from the drop-down list to select the shared appointments on your calendar. Soffront Calendar Tasks helps you to manage your time better. It not only reminds you of your pending tasks and appointments, but also provides you with all the relevant information needed to complete them successfully. This way, you can complete all your tasks and appointments on time with more efficiency and lesser clicks.